So the battery's out again, obviously, and I think it's just easier just to simply disconnect it like I did before. Basically, it's just a case of oh, but we only need to do the ones at the end, don't we? So I might try and do it without actually dismantling the whole thing, just basically taking this end plate off and doing it that way. Sorry, and doing it that way. Because it makes sense, but then you'd need to probably undo all of these sort of things just to get it back. Same with these, just to pull it back. Obviously you need to take these off, and then there's the screws on the underside which need to be removed. Yeah, but might get away with it because it's just this end one. Yeah, it's literally that one. So we only need to take 3. But hey, and it does look a bit odd, I have to say. If you look at it, there's a bit of extra gap there, so I think this is probably filled out, it's gone wide. So this is definitely the dud one. We'll replace that one. We've got another one down there. One that had one of these that had a stud buried. I'll find it. Yep. And then yeah, good.